on, guys? Hunter Films here. Today we are back with another video. We are out at the Cars Across Texas meet. We have a ton of sick cars that I've already seen just driving in this. We got an old rat rod. We got some exotic digital camo. I don't even know what that is. We'll check that out later. Anyways, we got a ton of cool cars here, and it's gonna be a great meet. Hopefully we can see some cool stuff when people are leaving as well. But without further ado, let's go ahead and check out some of the sick whips we got here. First of all, that caught my attention was this Performante. It is pretty sexy. It's parked next to this super modified Viper. I don't remember how much horsepower it makes, but this thing is really, really loud. But yeah, this Performante is the matte black with the lime green trim, and I love this. Hey, it's Tomater, yes sir. Oh yeah, there's also a Lightning McQueen Camaro. We'll find him in a little bit, but we got Tomater in the house. So I'm not very sure what's going on here. I know this is a slingshot made into a four-wheel car, but this is sick. It has a giant ass intercooler with a little intake sticking out in the front. This thing is fast, I will tell you that. I know that. I know the fact that it's fast. I can't find Lightning McQueen. Tomater parked himself over here all alone. I saw him earlier. I don't know where he went. I found Lightning McQueen. I found him. Hold on. We found Lightning McQueen. Yes, sir. We found Lightning McQueen. Yes, sir. Follow him on Insta. I don't even know what the crap this is. This is some old rat rod with a built motor. I don't even know what's going on here, but take a look at that interior. It's pretty sick. We got some Porsches, some Beamers, and then also I wanted to take a look at this little hypercar. I still have no idea what the heck this is, but I've seen this guy a few times before, and it's some kind of race car, I know that, but it has the cool red, black, and white and gray digital camo. If y'all know what this is, let me know in the comment section. Hey, we got Gage just pulled up. What's up, bro? How you doing? How you? Hey, you're holding up traffic. Come on. We got the homie Cars Across Texas. What's up? Hey, fuck you, man. Fuck you, man. I'm fucking you, bro. What's up, bro? You dropped the cones.
Fuck yourself. I'm tired of this shit, bro.
Still left me. All right, I'm in some.
This car's gauge slow.
This car rental. It's a rental. Yeah, it's a rental. Drew, your Corvette's a rental. That's a rental. I don't know about that one, but it's pretty cool. Chiron just rolled up. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It has blue wheels. Oh my god, yes sir. Oh my god, this thing is beautiful. Oh my god. So we got the Bugatti Chiron just pulled up, parked next to the Slingshot. They honestly kind of look pretty cool together, not gonna lie. Okay, my friend told me about the C8 Corvette. Apparently this is the fastest one at the moment in the world. That's pretty cool. It sounds pretty mean in the back. The blue chrome GTR, and oh my god, this is one of my favorite GTRs in Houston. Oh my, this thing's so clean. I love this thing so much. It sounds good too. This thing, woo, yes sir. We got a whole Supra lineup. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 Supras, and then we have some Mark III Supras down there as well. But we got the whole Supra lineup, yes sir. We got the turbo Subi rev. Oh shit! You just spit a flame? No? Are you sure? That sounded like a flame to me. Oh god. That scared the crap out of me. I didn't know if it was gonna pop or not. Uh-oh, we found the boy Lux. He's confirmed to be here. This boy has two-step now, and it will probably blow someone's ears out at someday. I missed it because I was walking around, but Sinclair Photos has made his grand appearance. What's up, AJ? How you doing, bro?
What up?
Our FRS is looking pretty good today.
Very much. Got her all cleaned up for the show.
Yes, sir.
You can see they're mix matched.
I just realized the Bugatti and the FRS look really good together. We got a CTS BV boy chopping a little bit. That noise never gets old. This dude's on hella camber in the back. God dang, this car making all sorts of noises. Oh, let's see if he scrapes. Oh, he scraped a lot. Oh yeah, it's one of those fast ones. Is this one of those super fast ones?
It's alright. It's not that fast.
No, yeah, it's one of those fast ones. Also, I completely forgot. A Rolls Royce pulled up and a purple Mustang. I don't know what the hell just went through my head, but let's try that again. We got a Rolls Royce and a purple Lambo. I don't know what the heck just happened. My head just had a big brain fart, but you got the purple trim on the inside with the little stuffed animal. I love this. Purple is one of my favorite colors, and it just looks so good on the Lamborghini. We got a really nice CTSV rolling in kind of like the mustard yellow. This boy sounds choppy as heck. Listen to this thing. That thing sounds fast. God dang, talk about Evo with the wing on the back. This boy got a chassis mount. God dang. This thing is huge. No, I missed it. Lux, you failed me. All right, we have the send starting. We have a few people rolling out. Let's see some good stuff tonight. Yes, sir. Shut up. Yes, sir. My V, send it for the boys. Hey, fuck you too. Alex. Yes, sir. Miata did a little skirt. Oh my God, he hauling ass. God dang. Send the Tesla. Send it. It's just gone. Frick. Oh my God. God, this thing sounds so good. Oh, there's a CA Corvette. Oh, the cop's going after him! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Hell yeah! Got the old Chevy. Oh, that's Bronco. Yes, sir! We got the classics. This guy just spit a flame. Yes, sir. Oh, the Supra. Oh, yeah. Hey, it's this guy. God dang. Send it. Yes, sir. break from the Sens to check out Babe Scat's new reveal, King of the Jungle. He got, you can't, it's kind of hard to see in the lighting, he got green and red exhaust tips. It's halfway, 8th mode. This thing is absolutely crazy. We got the right side, it just has all these cool red stickers. His tire lettering actually is custom. It says Fuse World, which is his YouTube channel. He's got the big Babe logo on the front. And then over on this side, he has this normal camo with the Babe logo, and it says Going Bananas. Yo, look at this thing. It's a wide body red eye with this cool decal on the side of it. God, you can see all the debris and stuff flying in the rear. Yes, sir! Oh, he's shooting flame! Oh, yes, sir! Guy got a whole light bar on the front of his car. Oh, it's that super fast C8. It's a Bugatti in the trailer. Yes, sir. Uh-oh, we got the rowdy boys. I'm gonna get back on the grass. Hey, it's a wide body Miata. That's 2000. Yes, whip the Porsche. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, he's scraping. Oh, God. That dude just scraped too. Charger's like, nah, I'm good. God dang, he whipped that hoe. Oh, hey, someone's hitting the hydraulics over there.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, the rat rod. What the hell? sir. We just had a cop roll up, kind of blocking the send area, so hopefully we can still see some cool stuff as people head home. Anyways, guys, the cops came. They're shutting us down, sadly, obviously because of the coronavirus, the group gatherings, whatever. But anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. I didn't get as much cool stuff as I was planning on to, but we still got some cool stuff. So hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to drop a like if you did enjoy, and make sure you turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later on Hunter Films. Peace out.